I think maybe it's more like, is there a window in this place between the way that an artwork can have meaning but doesn't have a particular function, and a chair that when you look at it, it tells you what you're supposed to do with it. Within the studio, the material is often treated like another element of expression or meaning. This piece is really has a direct link to all of the moving clock works that I've done. This is the first one that is detached from the architecture itself, so it's moving off of it. I think that sometimes the position of the artist has to be neutral, and so I see the works more as like an introduction of an idea that can be provocative or can provoke a viewer to kind of make up their own assumptions and ideas about it.